नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों। हिंदी कक्षा में एक बार फिर आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। पिछले क्लास में हम वर्षा के बारे में एक बहुत सुंदर कविता पढ़ रहे थे। हाँ, एक छोटा बच्चा अपने कमरे में खिड़की के पास खड़े होकर वर्षा रानी को बुला रहा है। वो वर्षा रानी से कुछ कह भी रहा है। वो वर्षा रानी से क्या कह रहा है, क्या आपको याद है? First, let us revise what we have learned in the last class. बच्चों, इस छोटी सी सुंदर कविता का नाम क्या है? वर्षा रानी। Okay? Now let us read the lines we have learned in the last class. देखो, वर्षा रानी आवो ना, थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना, घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजे पानी से नहलाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना। तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर, सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर अपना चक्र चलाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना। See, you have to study these lines by heart. Okay? चलो, अब हम कविता का वाचन ध्यान से करते हैं। देखो, मैं पहले कविता का वाचन करूंगी। आप लोगों को क्या करना है? ध्यान से सुनना है। ओके? जब मैं कविता का वाचन करती हूँ तो आप सब ध्यान से सुनना। All of you should listen carefully. Only you will be able to read the poem properly. Each and every word you listen carefully. Okay? Let us start reading. ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो। चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना। Let us read once again. ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो। चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना, वर्षा रानी आओ ना। Everyone should try to read these lines. Okay? बच्चों, पिछले क्लास में हमने देखा कि ये बच्चा वर्षा रानी को बुलाकर सब जगह थोड़ा जल बरसाने के लिए कह रहा है ना। अब देखिए इन पंक्तियों में ये बच्चा वर्षा रानी से क्या कह रहा है। Now let us see what the child tells the rain in these lines. देखो, ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो। The child tells the rain, ट्रक भेज दूं, okay, shall I send a truck or shall I send a train? He is ready to send different vehicles forward so that the rain can travel and come. Okay, the rain can travel in the train and come. For that he is ready to send any vehicle. पहले क्या भेज देने की बात कह रहा है? देखो कौन सी गाड़ी भेज देने की बात कह रहा है वो? ट्रक। Okay, he is ready to send a truck for the rain to travel by. Okay, or else he is ready to send what? Train. Okay, train. In train, if Varsha Rani doesn't want to travel in a truck, she can come by a train. Okay. किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो. Please tell in which by which vehicle would you like to come. किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो, एक ट्रक में या ट्रेन में। चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो. If you don't want to travel by a truck or a train, what is the other option? What is the other option? Metro, you can travel by metro. Okay, that facility is there nowadays. That facility is there. You can travel by metro. You can come by traveling in a metro. Okay, अपनी शान दिखाओ ना. You can show your pride, your get up by traveling in a metro. Okay, anyhow, you please come. That's what the child wants. Okay, अपनी शान दिखाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. वर्षा रानी प्लीज कम. एक बार फिर इन पंक्तियों को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं. ट्रक भेज दो, ट्रेन भेज दो, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो. चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना.
वर्षा रानी, वर्षा रानी आओ ना, थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना. घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजे पानी से नहलाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर, सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर अपना चक्र चलाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. ट्रक भेज दूं, ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो. चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो अपनी शान दिखाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना.
Now let us go through the word meaning. Okay, Varsha, rain. Rani, queen. Jal, water. Her, house. Khidki, window. Darwaze, door. Titli, butterfly. Bhramar, beetle. Phool, flower. Surya, sun. Tare, stars. Chandrama, moon. Chakra, wheel. Aaj, today. Shan, pride. Once again, let us read. Varsha, rain. Rani, queen. Jal, water. Her, house. Khidki, window. Darwaze, door. Titli, butterfly. Bhramar, beetle. Bhool, flower. Surya, sun. Tare, stars. Chandrama, moon. Chakra, wheel. Aaj, today. Shan, pride. Children, read these words many times. Okay, first you learn to read properly, then study the word meaning by heart. Okay, and learn to write the Hindi words. Children, now let us learn about the different forms of Ra. Okay, Ra के विभिन्न रूप. Ra के विभिन्न रूप means different forms of Ra. See, in the previous lesson we have learned about clusters or jointed letters, jointed consonants. Okay, here Ra, when this Ra joins with the other consonants, other letters, it changes its form. Okay, like that, how many forms this Ra has got? 4 different forms we can say. Okay, now let us see the 4 different forms one by one. देखो ये शब्द बाहर के कौन से अक्षरों से बनता है ये शब्द बाहर. What are the letters joined here to form this word बाहर? Ba plus ha plus ra. Okay, you can see ra here. The same ra is here also. Okay, this is the ordinary form of ra. Ba. Okay, this is the ordinary form. We can see another word Varsha. Okay, Varsha. See the letters. See that form this word Varsha. What are the letters joined to form this word Varsha? Va plus R plus Sha. Okay, Va plus R plus Sha. You can see Ra here, but that Ra is not seen here. Where Ra has gone? See, Ra joined with this letter Sha. Okay, रा प्लस शा, रा प्लस शा क्या बन जाता है? अर बन जाता है. Here ra comes first and joins with the letter that follows. Okay, then it what form it gets? What form ra gets? ur. Okay, वो ur बन जाता है, वो शा के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है और ur बन जाता है. देखो, किसी दूसरे व्यंजन के पहले आकर उस अक्षर से मिल जाता है तो रा क्या बन जाता है? ur बन जाता है. Okay, see the next word, crumb. Okay, crumb. What are the letters joined to form this word crumb? K plus ra plus ma. Here also you can see ra, but that ra is not seen here. That means it has changed its shape. Okay, in this word ra joins with which letter? K. Here k comes first and ra follows that. Okay, in this what shape it how it changed its form, its shape, वो इस प्रकार. See, this is the shape of ra here. Okay, this is the shape. ra का चिन्ह यह बनता है. k plus ra क्रा, k plus ra क्रा. Okay, अगला ट्रक. के ये ट्रक शब्द में कौन से अक्षर है? What are the letters that join to form this word truck? T plus R plus K. Here also you can see Ra, but here Ra is not seen as it is. That means it has changed its shape. Here Ra has got this shape. You can see that. See, when Ra joins with the letters T, 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 it becomes like this. Okay, it changes its shape like this. Okay, here ra joins with which letter? Tha. Okay, tha के साथ मिल जाता है. Tha plus ra tra. Okay, tha plus ra tra. This is the form of ra. Here we have learned 4 different forms of ra. See, here ra, then here ur. Here you can see this sign kram. Okay, see tra here like this. For different forms of ra we have learned. Children, do you understand the different forms of ra? Okay, then now we can read the words in which ra comes in the different forms. Okay, see, let us read all the words one by one. R plus sha क्या बन जाता है? अर्षा. Okay, अर्षा. Varsha. Here ra comes first and joins with the letter that comes after that. Okay, then it becomes ur. Varsha. R plus ya, urya. Surya. R plus ma, urma. Karma. Here ra comes first and joins with the letter that follows. Okay, R plus pa, urpa. Here also the same. R plus pa, urpa. Darpan. R plus ma, urma. Dharma. R plus ga, urga. Varg. Varg. Okay, here in all these words ra comes first. When ra comes first and joins with the letter that follows, ra becomes what? ur. इसके ऊपर. Okay, इसके ऊपर ऐसा चिन्ह बनता है के ur चिन्ह बनता है. अगला देखिए, in all these letters ra comes after the letter with which ra joins. Okay, ra comes second. Here ra comes first and here ra comes second. K plus ra, kra. Okay, k plus ra. Then when ra comes second, what is the form of what is the shape of ra? The shape becomes like this. Okay, you can see that. K plus ra, kra. Chakra. V plus ra, vra. Vrad. G plus ra, gra. Grah. Grah. Okay, D plus ra, dra. Chandrama. Chandrama. P plus ra, pra. Pranam. Okay, pranam. M plus ra, mra. Namr. You what you want to remember, when ra comes first, it becomes ur. Okay, here all you can see. When ra comes after a letter and joins with that, ra becomes what? Like this. Okay, it becomes see a sign like this. Gra, bra, gra, dra, bra, mra, like that. Many times you read the sentence steady. Okay.